Oh boy, we have an extra exciting section for you. This is a section that I absolutely love. I got into programming because of web development. And in this section, we're going to explore how we can use Python in web development. And actually, the way we use Python in web development will also work with mobile development. And this is a really exciting field because, well, as you're aware, there's lots of web applications. There's lots of mobile applications. And using Python, we can actually help build these applications. In this section, I'm going to give you a general overview of web development, what that involves, how websites actually work, how browsers work. We're also going to use Python to build our own server, our own portfolio webpage, where people can view our portfolios and actually submit maybe a request to work with you or send you a message and actually store it in places like a database. So by the end of this section, you're going to have your own portfolio website that is live and in production. It's going to be a very, very fun one. But in order for us to learn how we can use Python, we need to first understand how the web works. So in the next video, let's learn how the web works. I'll see you in that one. Bye-bye.